smart warehouse must be able to automate as it makes sense economically, and it is a step-by-step approach. There is a lot of automation available here and now without any significant investment. Always maximize the efficiency of staff and make good use of software. Scale instantaneously in response to need. Provide 100% visibility, in real time. Use a web-centric approach to run and control the business and provide a customer-centric approach to engage business partners. What are smart warehouse systems? Smart warehouse systems are the result of the various interconnected warehousing technologies working together. They form a technological ecosystem where goods are received, identified, sorted, organized and pulled for shipment automatically. The best smart warehouse solutions automate almost the entire operation, from suppliers to customers, with minimal errors. When considering smart warehousing, you should keep an eye out for a few traits that mark a successful smart warehouse system. Some of these traits are accuracy, scalability, data visibility and transparency. What makes up a smart warehouse? Robotics, radio frequency identification, artificial intelligence, the Internet of Things, warehouse management systems. WMS is the foundation of all of your smart technology. A WMS solution has many uses, from gathering valuable data to helping users manage warehousing processes. This allows you to keep track of how efficient your warehouse's day-to-day operations are. YGL WMS 4.0 completely replaces the system input and retrieval steps into barcode RFID scanning. Scanning in YGL WMS 4.0 is performed directly by the field blue-collar staff, thus providing the real-time online update of the stock status. Pick and Pack optimizes the picking routes and points to the accurate location of stocks. Actual location plotting maps the physical storage area to the system. YGL Bin Optimization maximizes warehouse bin storage capacity and provides transparencies on the % usage of all the bins. Kitting allows multiple items to be packed into boxes, multiple boxes into carton, and multiple cartons into pallet. One scan on the pallet barcode identifies all the items in the pallet. This enables the kitting process to be conducted days before delivery, and speed up the pallet loading on container vehicle time. Implementing smart warehouse systems. It's time to start implementing automation. Start small and build towards automation. We suggest starting with a WMS. It automates the SOPs and processes of the entire warehouse operations. It provides the common cloud platform for all the stakeholders to operate on. It's essentially the heart of a smart warehouse system. Upon the completion of the warehouse management system, integration to warehouse robotics such as arms, smart conveyors, auto-lifters and automated guided vehicles AGVs may be established through YGL Warehouse Control System WCS. This completes the smart warehouse solution whereby jobs may be assigned to machines, and machines report back on job done. Full transparencies of stock status are provided on the cloud on a real-time online basis. Digitalization is the key to moving labor-intensive operation to transparent, systematic and scale-able operation. It is the only key to managing a large, multiple-discipline and multiple-site business.